lot of us can't really afford to buy a lot of, I guess, Hardy parts, expensive ones, because we're too busy saving for pipes, head pipes, air filters, things that really matter. So instead of buying the Easy Shift, what I've done is went on to AliExpress and bought this, free postage, £21 free postage. Pretty much the same thing, but what we're going to do now is we're going to see if it fits. Hopefully it will. So pretty much to replace this out, what you really need is 1/4 inch Allen and I think it's 7/16. Yeah, 7/16. And so what we're going to do is we're going to see it. And I've seen a few videos of these. People bought them on Amazon and they didn't fit. One guy had to actually grind the inside of it out to make it fit. So what we're going to do is pretty much just try and slip that on there. In fact, I have another camera here. Let me just flick this on. Pretty much just slips on there. So what I'm going to do is take off this back part of the shift linkage. And once we get this off, okay, so that's that part of the shift linkage off. Get some blue Loctite on that. Stop that coming out. Now, what I also done, which I'll show you in a minute, is I actually got a shift linkage off AliExpress as well. I mean, I honestly and truly just cannot afford to drop down £50 to £100 on freaking shift linkages and everything else, you know. I mean, it's just not feasible for me to do that. I mean, that's a lot of money to start dropping down on tools. Especially, I'm actually saving for a full set of pipes for this. It has the stock header pipes, and I have Vance and Hines slip-ons. I just put an S&S air cleaner on it, but the likes of the Easy Shift stuff and things like that. I mean, finding neutral on this. This is a 2012 Road King. Finding neutral on this really isn't that hard, but at times it is. You know, you're up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's jumping back and forward. You know, it could be a real pain in the ass, like. So I'm just going to see if this works. Hopefully it does make a bit of a difference, you know. As for, I mean, S&S air cleaner was a big one for me. The Power Vision black, old school one, if you will, for some people, was a must as well, you know. So I put the air cleaner on. I had those pipes on. I mean, it did a tune. Took my bike out, done the auto tune and stuff on it, and it's running good. But my next goal, really and truly, is a nice set of pipes for the bike. Now, I'm not really into the sound of a bike all that much, you know. So I'm still in the process of, I'm online, got video after video after video after video, just trying to get things done, you know. Just need to get that away. Once you get it tight, get it away. Net like that. I want to get a nice set of pipes. I mean, I don't know whether to go for the 2-into-1s or the. I might have put gloves on there, didn't I think about not putting them on. Take the other side of the ship linkage off, which I shall bring this camera out. Maybe 7/16 again. I was lucky enough that living over this end we're all metric. When I moved back from the States, I actually brought my Craftsman tools with me, so I didn't have to go out and start buying real tools. So, you know. So yeah, I'm just taking the rest of the shift linkage off here because I'm going to replace that with the other part that I literally just bought. Now this doesn't seem to be failing, but the last thing I want to do is be out on the road and have it fail. I mean, I don't think it's ever been changed since. I don't think it's ever been changed since the bike was new, you know. So it's 2012. I mean, it's 13-year-old, so so shift linkage is bought on AliExpress, and it comes with all your mounting hardware, a nice chrome one, good bit of weight to it. I think this was £14, free postage, you know. So I mean, it feels solid enough. The ad said it was made from billet. That remains to be seen. Doesn't feel heavy enough to be billet, but it seems sturdy enough. It seems like it will do its thing, you know. So we'll see. We will see. And after me telling is all I need to go, that I brought my Craftsman tools back. Can you see this? I'll probably need metric to put it on. So, yeah, there's absolutely no way I could justify dropping that kind of money down. Plain and simple fact is I just can't afford it. I understand that companies have to make their money, they make the stuff, they make good stuff, you know, same as a Figurati, you know, I actually think they're the same. I can only get them in America, you know. They charge $25 postage. Which really really isn't bad. But you take into account you're buying the unit, which I think is worth the money. I'd rather get the Pro one. It's $130. $25 postage, $155. Because it's then bought at $155. There's import tax on it, so have the import tax on it. So it's creeping up then towards $200 mark. So to me at the minute, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. I'd rather get my header pipes eventually. I mean, I'm saving for them. But once I get the header pipes done, get the money saved for that. I got the S&S air cleaner on. Once you get the money up for the header pipes, that'll be next. And I'll take her out and do the auto tune and stuff on it, and I'll contact Damage out. They're pretty good at getting back to you. They'll give you a stock. They'll give you the stock map, and then just do an auto tune and that. So they'll give me one for. But that's the thing. See, I'm still looking at pipes. I don't know if I want to get a 2x2 or 212. I've had a look here. Can't seem to find the 212s anywhere. Within Northern Ireland, which is where I'm from, or anywhere in the UK, they'll seem to be either 2.2s or true jewels. I don't want to go true jewels. I'd rather go the either a 2.2 or 2.12. I'm going to keep the stock mufflers for the minute. The Vance and Hines. I actually don't know what Vance and Hines mufflers I even have on. Well, anyway, on that note, I'm going to put all these tools away. That's it, done for the minute. But I'll let you know how it works out with the AliExpress stuff.